When your Insignia portable air conditioner displays an FL error code, it's telling you something important about its internal water tank. The FL error code means your air conditioner's internal water collection tank is completely full and needs to be emptied immediately. To understand why this happens, we need to look at how portable air conditioners work. They remove moisture from the air as part of the cooling process. When warm, humid air passes over the cold evaporator coils inside your air conditioner, the moisture in the air condenses into water droplets, just like dew forming on a cold glass. This condensed water needs somewhere to go. In portable air conditioners, it collects in an internal tank that must be emptied when full. When the tank becomes full, your air conditioner automatically shuts off its cooling function. This is actually a protective feature that prevents water from overflowing and potentially damaging your floors or furniture. Several factors can cause the water tank to fill up more quickly than usual. Understanding these causes helps you prevent frequent FL errors. Understanding what the FL error means and why it occurs is the crucial first step in resolving the issue and getting your air conditioner running efficiently again.